Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video we will talk about procedure. Okay, so how we can use procedure and why we should use procedure. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start a new project here and I'll show you. That's my test project here, test 4562 something like. Okay, that's my test project, and here we go. That's my screen here. Now suppose I just drag and drop one button here and one label like this. Okay, and go to the block. Now you will find here in the left side procedure. Okay, and you'll find here procedure do and procedure result. So we will, in this video we will talk about procedure do. So why we should use procedure and why we are using this. So the reason is, suppose if I have to perform some actions, let's see the example here, right? I'm going to use here procedure and I'm going to call if I just use here one thing and I'm not using here procedure, and let's drag and drop here button. Okay, and 1 and 3 buttons, right? And I have to display the here value in the label. Okay, so whenever someone click on this button 1, then I have to display value here. So I'm going to use here set label and label 1 dot text. Okay, and I'm using here some maths and I'm using here plus. Okay, and then suppose I'm using here some this one, copy and paste and make it here, like I'm going to make it 50 and I'm going to make it 10. It's just an example. Okay, and then I have to do one more thing. Then I have to use here subtract. I'm going to use here subtract only here, and I'm going to use here one more thing, that one, and I'm going to delete this. I'm going to use here subtract value. Okay, now I have to store this value in some variable, so I'm going to use a variable in a slice global variable val and make this one is 0. Okay, I'm going to use your maths function and make this value 0. Okay, and I'm going to set this value here. Okay, and I'm going to copy this here. It means what I am here, whenever I'm click on this button, then I have to make value 50 plus 10 I have to add. Okay, it means global value is 60 right now, val equal to 60, right? And I have to display, I'm going to delete this, and I have to display this 60 value in label. So I'm going to use here get global value like this, right? Now whenever someone click on the button 2, okay, then I have to display same value, right? Suppose like C, I'm going to use here 2 and I'm going to make it 3. So whenever I click on the button 1, the result is going to be 60. Whenever I click on 2, then 60, and 3, 60. And I have to repeat this code again and again and again. You can see here like this. Now if I use procedure here, suppose I'm to use here procedure, okay, and I'm to use here add, that's my procedure name, and I'm going to use this function here, it means value, and I'm to use here set label text like this. This will call. So I'm going to delete this whole code from here like this, from here, from here, from here, and from here. And what I need to do, click on procedure, you will see call add. Just copy and paste this 3 times, and whenever I click on this button 1, this will call this procedure and this function will call, it means that procedure will call. So what you will get 60, and whenever you click on 60 and 60. So you can see here code is like, you can see here there is we have to write only one line code here, and we have to write a code once. We are not repeating here code. That's the reason we use procedure. In the programming language, this will call like a function, right? Okay, if you are from a programming background, like you have you learned before like a PHP and Java and something like that, so you know that like that is called functions, right? So that's the basic use of procedure. You can use it in many situations, in many programs. This will use in games mostly. Okay, so that's very easy way to use procedure. Okay, so if you have still doubt in procedure, you can ask me on comment. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.